Hi all, this is Wesel and I'm so excited to share with you all the unboxing of my new sewing machine, that is Jack F4 Series HZL. And to help me assemble the sewing table and the machine, I requested my father and my brother to do this. And this was a new experience for all of us, so we really had to look into instructions and refer to so many YouTube videos on assembling those table together. Initially it looked very difficult to us, but as and when we started it, we realized that it wasn't that difficult and everything just comes into place once you start it. So we started with the table first, and this is the tabletop, and we are also trying to figure out where should we measure and then put the slider for me to have an easy access on all the sewing accessories. The second box contains the sewing machine itself, which weighs around 38 kg, which is very heavy, and it also comes along with the tools for the sewing machine, like the pedal, your threading tools, and also the place where you can put the oil for the sewing machine. And finally we fitted all the table stand together, and this was one of the most confusing part, because we really wish that if there was a marking on the table below so that you could just place the table stand and then you screw it, but unfortunately it was not there. So we really had to measure both the ends of the table and really make sure that it was there and it was proper where you're going to put your table stand. We finally managed it. We did that, and this is where we're trying to place all the rubbers and trying to see if the machine would not vibrate. And this was the oil tank being fixed on it and checking if everything was fine. And the third part, what we did was the threading tools together. We placed everything together and checked if it was all in good condition, and then we realized that it looked like those umbrellas, but yeah, everything was so smooth and good. And finally, the sewing machine itself. So like I said, it's 38 kgs, so I needed my father and my brother to help this fixed on the table properly and smoothly. And guys, I just looked at the machine and I just went, oh my god, this machine looks so beautiful, and the color combo is so great, the design and everything. I just cannot wait to start my sewing project. And finally we did the threading tools, putting it all together, making sure that it was on right place. And then this is where we checked the pedal for the machine, and at the end, not to forget, adding the machine oil. So they said we shouldn't add more than the level which says high. That's what we did. This is what has come from the company, and now I just cannot wait to start the sewing process. And my family did a small ceremony for me to start sewing, so I just couldn't wait. And guys, once I started to use it, it was so smooth and so beautiful. Oh, I just cannot wait to start all my projects. Thank